today's video, we're going to cover what is floating profit and loss. Floating profit or floating loss is the change in the price of an asset from the price you bought. So when it goes up from your purchase price, it's called floating profit, and when it goes down, it's called floating loss. It's also known as unrealized profit or loss because you bought the asset but you haven't sold it yet. Once you sell at the particular floating profit or floating loss, then it's called realized profit or loss because that's the actual profit or loss which you incurred. You can only calculate the profit and loss once you buy something and then sell it. Until then, it will always stay in the float. That's why it's called floating or unrealized profit or loss. This applies for any kind of asset class like crypto, stocks, forex, etc. Now let's say you bought a particular asset for $10,000, but the price went down 15%. Now you're at a floating loss. Does that mean you lost your money? Not unless you choose to sell it. Then it becomes the realized loss. You have no chance of getting it back. But what if you just hold it? Then it stays in floating loss or unrealized loss, and there are chances for the price to move back up into profits. What if the price went up 15% from your purchase price? Now this is called the floating profit. If you feel the price will go further up, then you don't have to sell it, or you can sell a part of it and let the rest be in a floating profit.